Hey Facebook, I got an overwhelming positive response for sharing some of my most fave recipes. So today I decided to share my mochi banana nut bread recipe. So here it goes. 1 pound of mochiko, this is mochiko. This is the only one I suggest you use of rice flour. 1 cup bisquick, 4 teaspoons baking soda, 4 teaspoons cinnamon, 1 teaspoon salt, 2 cups white sugar, 1 1/2 cups canola oil, 3 teaspoons vanilla, 5 eggs, 3 cups bananas ripe and mashed. So 3 cups is about, I would say 6 bananas. And you don't want them too bruised, but a little bit brown. That's the best that you could probably do to make it the best tasting. So you just combine all those ingredients, mix them up, and check it out. This is it, ready in the mold, ready to go into the oven. Check it out. And I have a surprise for you. I have 4 banana nut breads baked already, ready for you to see how I turn them over and frost them. So check it out. Here's one. The important thing about these banana nut breads is that you gotta make sure you gotta grease up the bundt cake pan, or you're gonna have pieces of cake stuck to the pan. So that's 1. Check this one out. 2. 3. It's going well. They're not sticking to the pan. 4. Check it out. I greased up the pans really well. And they came out really formed and well. So you actually get to witness. Some of the ladies have been asking, how do I get the frosting on and the frosting to cooperate? Okay, so do like this. Check it out. So I just use any frosting. I tend to like the thick frosting, Pillsbury vanilla, because it gives her like a really good look to it. And when it melts, so I take the gloved hands, and when it melts, it gives a nice drippy look. So you take that gloved hand and just take your fingers, just kind of just go around the cake. Just do that, and then it forms its own little drip look as it melts. You can see on the side closer to the camera that it has its own unique drip look. But this cake has gone viral. People have been asking for the recipe, and I am off from work this week, and I am in a good mood. So this is my 3rd recipe that I have shared this week. And if you're seeing me this weekend, you most likely will be getting a taste of these. And what I like to do is sprinkle coconut all over the top to hide the flaws. And the ladies know this. So this coconut is just out of the bag from Ralph's or whatever, and it's just sweetened coconut flakes. And the ladies know I love macadamia nuts. So here it goes. What a treat. And everybody knows I love caramel. So check this out. Check out this caramel. This is just dessert topping in a jar. Caramel dessert topping in a jar. You just kind of take your toothpick and kind of decorate it. It's really fun. So there you go. Hawaiian style macadamia banana nut bread. Check it out. I'll be posting the written recipe for the serious bakers. Have a good rest of the weekend. Take care.